Hello, I'm Doug Roarin here in Juniper Level Botanic Garden, the home of Plant Delights Nursery. Have you ever wondered why some broadleaf evergreens wilt in really cold weather? It's actually a self-preservation technique. And actually, I should ask the question, have you ever worried about your broadleaf evergreens when they wilt like this? What's going on is the plant has moved water out of the individual cells into the spaces in between the cells. So, and you know that water expands as it freezes, so the cells don't burst when the leaf is frozen. So the immediate result is it looks like the plant is wilting, but it has, perhaps voluntarily isn't the right word, but the plant has moved water out of the cells, and then the cells don't burst when they freeze. It's now a balmy 35 degrees. It was 14 degrees this morning, and probably tomorrow when we get up to about 40, it will resume its normal position. The leaves won't look wilted anymore. And water is a rather odd substance, H2O, in that most things shrink as they freeze. I certainly do, but water, liquid water, all those cells are sort of all jumbled together, but when it freezes, those individual cells form a very structured crystalline structure. So if you think of like a Lincoln log set, you can build or a Tinker Toy set, you can build a great big structure, but then when it's all disassembled, it gets put away in a very small container. So when water goes from a liquid to a crystal in the solid form of water, ice, it expands, and that's why plants have evolved to have the capabilities to prevent their cells from bursting. So when you wake up on a cold winter morning and you look at it and your rhododendrons and acubas and other broadleaf evergreens look miserable, they're just taking the wise tactic of preventing their cells from bursting. Well, I hope you found some of that interesting or useful. Thank you for your time today, and I hope to see you again in the garden.